I gotta give him thumbs up, bro.
That's what, dude.
Yes, I think it's a diesel.
Bro, permission to.
Lovely machine. Give him thumbs up.
One, 17, 22, and 46.
Yeah, it's a girl driving it. That's crazy.
Red flag.
The portion is not
Big, crazy van.
It's like they're using the stock wheels and it's lifted all really high. Like that does not look good. And that's why you said it.
What happened, Vlad?
I got toxic going to low.
Don't be toxic, Vlad.
That's my ex-wife.
You know what I really love is this little antenna right here. This tiny antenna is just amazing. Did you guys see this little tiny antenna? I love that.
I get satellite.
Satellite? Yeah. You get Netflix too?
Yeah, and Hulu.
Pornhub. Yeah, that's what Vlad said.
No, it's getting hot.
The Pornhub antenna is on the other side.
Oh shit. I'm gonna be the passenger of this car.
Okay, I do not have control of that. Good luck.
Tell him to finish it.
Vlad, can you finish this? Just double checking a couple of things before we leave. Everything seems to be good. Oh yeah, that's not coolant. That's from the washer fluid we activated and it went all over the place. So yeah. Bruh.
Your bumper, you get your bumper, dude. No, we're not. He's in a rush to go.
Yeah.
You should stop shitting so much.
No, I didn't shit yet.
You already shit enough for all of us.
You got that video?
Oopsie.
Why are you opening the window? I'm cold.
Really?
Why are you cold, Vlad?
Because I got coolant on my hands, so it cooled my hands. See, no boss, you're just scared. They probably, your parents just probably made that up so you leave quicker.
No, actually, I went inside. Everything was so clean. It was smelling good and shit.
And then you went in there and took a shit.
You gotta drive it. You gotta baby it
Look at
now.
the iPass, bro. Don't have to gun it. Because you said you need the iPass.
Amazing machine. That's the second drive. No more coolant leaks.
Ooh, let's do it.
Nice, she's good. Yeah, I told you it was full there. Spillage. Nice, Vlad. What do you think about today's project?
Did some good work. Mission is success.
Mission success. Machine. Aye, Vlad, you're in the way. You know what else I like about you, man, is that you park far away. Where'd you learn that?
I don't know. Someone I really know taught me.
Yeah. Damn, look at this. What's gonna happen? Damn! I like that.
No, exactly. That's how he is. I hate that too. But, I mean, it's his money, his car. So I lucked out. But definitely not, like, I would get more if I could, you know, like I would get a spare pedal box and another drive shaft and stuff, but
mean, you got a pretty good deal on the whole manual trans conversion kit.
Oh, but this one's bad though. This trans, it needs synchros.
Synchros? Yeah.
Like, if you saw me shifting fast,
Yeah.
you hear this very bad noise, like Eddie knows.
Mhm.
It's really hideous. Like it's
Yeah.
a really bad sound, and it's apparently synchros.
But it's a manual wagon, bro.
I know,
Like it's
exactly.
rare.
Exactly.
Yeah, I mean, you
Just
can
never
live
came to
with
the
that
US.
right now. Yeah. Later on, you'll find either another trans or you can probably get this
I know.
one
I want
rebuilt.
to get a spare trans, bro.
Yeah.
And then Scott says he'll buy this one off me, but
Yeah.
he won't pay like much.
I don't know, maybe 3,500. Nice. Sounds pretty good, actually.
Sounds healthy.
Very nice.
Very good.
Okay, enough. She's still.
Saw the needle.
Yeah,
I
she's.
love how it
yeah,
does
that's
that.
cool. The M3 engine. Very
Brakes
nice.
are phenomenal.
Amazing, yeah. That's good. Gotta
Phenomenal.
exercise
It's a lot
them
better
after
than
she's
the
been
other
sitting
stuff.
for what?
I'm gonna beat your way.
Quite some
I'm
time.
recording.
Who are you gonna beat, Vlad? Okay. How's the level? Good? Yeah, she's good. No more leakage. Yeah, see, you did the oil change, so there's a little bit right here, oil coming out, not too much though. Probably got to change the O-ring, right, Vlad?
Yeah, that's why his boss is
Yeah.
coming to change that.
Yeah, your boss is coming to change the oil or the O-ring.
Guys, we're trending on Dane.